Good morning, students. We have learned the method of find the square root of perfect square number by factorization method. In previous class, it is not easy to find a square root of all numbers by factorization method because this method is very lengthy and difficult. So in this period, in such cases, we find a square root by long division method. We have learnt in previous class to find the square root of perfect square number by factorization method, and in this period we will find the square root of any number by long division method. So working rule: square root of perfect square number by long division method. As for example, find the square root of 34829. Example 2. Find the square root of 3481. To find the square root, number of digits is equal to 4. So the number of digits in the square root. So the number of digits in a square root is equal to 4 by 2 बराबर 2. Here we make pairs of digits starting from unit digit and put a bar over it. Identify the largest number which square is equal to 34 या less than 34. Taking this number as a digit, as a division, here a square of 6 is equal to 36, but we are given 34. So let us suppose that square of 5 is appropriate to divide 34. So we write 5 as divisor and quotient as 5. Square of 5 is equal to 25. We write 25 below 34 and subtract. Here we add 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. On subtracting, we have 9. Now here remainder is 9. Thus, here we write 81, last pair, and divide it by the given number. If we take divisor 109 and it multiply by 9, we have 981. And on subtracting, we write hence the square root of root 3481 is equal to 59. If we multiply 59 by 59, we get 3481. Hence the square root of 3481 is equal to 59. Again, try to understand. Make pairs of digits in the given number. Here in this problem, number of digits is equal to 4. So the number of digits in a square root will be 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now we proceed. 3481. Put a bar over the pair of the given number, starting with ones digit. Here we see that a square of 6 is 36, which is greater than 34. So we take 5 as divisor and 5 as quotient. Multiplying 5 by 5, the product is 25. So we write the product below the number 34 and subtract. After subtracting, we get 9, and in left side we add 5. Thus 10 is obtained. Now again dividend is 981. Here write 81, second pair, and if we divide 109 by 9, we get 981 as product, and subtract, the remainder is 0. Hence the square root of number is 59. Similarly, we can solve the next problem of exercise. Now, example 3. Find the square root of 99856. Example 6. Example 6. Find the square root of 99,856. 99,000. Find the square root of 99,856. find the square root of 99856. 99856. By division method, do same as example 2. 99856. 99856. 99856. Make a pair starting with unit digit and put a bar over each pair. Here we see that only one number is left. Now we have to divide 9. So we take, if we take 3 as divisor and multiply it by 3, we have product is 9. So we take divisor 3 square, because a square of 3 is equal to 9. So we divide it by 3 and write 1 3 below first 3, adding 3 3 6, on subtracting 0 as remainder. Now 98, we write 98. Here dividend is 98. Again if we divide 98 by 61, if we multiply 61 by 1, then we have 61 as product, and if we divide by 2, then it will be greater. So we write 1 as percent, and product is 61. On subtracting, we have the remainder 37, adding 62. Now the dividend is 56. Again we divide 3756 by 6. Multiplying by 6, we have 36. On subtracting, remainder is 0. Hence the square root of square root of 99856 is equal to 316. In this way, we can find the square root of any number by long division method. I have discussed about long division method. First of all, we make a pair starting with 1 digit, and we have to choose such a divisor which square is equal to and less than 34. And in this way, multiplying divisor into quotient, we have 25 as a product. So we write 25 below 34 and subtract 9 as quotient. Now we write 81. Hence the new dividend is 981. Now we divide 981 by 9. The product is 981. On subtracting, we have 0 as the remainder. Hence the square root of 3481 is equal to 51. 9 and similarly the square root of 99856 is equal to 316. So this method is very appropriate and very easy comparing factorization method. So you can try to solve the next problem of this example, and after that you will go on exercise and your problem will be solved in next period. Thank you.